Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK Chainlink. So yeah, it did react to our support area. Elliot spoke and the chart listened. Joking. No, but it yesterday in the video only I highlighted to you here this as a possible trade setup. Maybe not like a 5-star setup, but therefore we had it in yellow as sort of little bit higher risk, but still a possible reasonable turning point here, at least for an A wave. Yeah, so this is happening now. Anybody who did enter, because we were really just entering this support area, I think in the last video. No, I think we were actually even on the way down only, right? Because I'm just looking at the time here. I think we were sort of here around 770 or something. I did give you this as a support area measured based on Fib retracements, and I highlighted to you that this could be another 1-2 setup. Price could react to the region between 743 and 687. Anybody who entered here, because it could just be a B wave. Yeah, maybe put your risk management hat on and maybe move up your stop loss or even take some partial profits. I think the risk is quite high that this is just a B wave. But again, I don't know. You know, this could also rally higher. Therefore, few options here: taking partial profits, closing the position completely, moving up the stop loss. I think there's at least, as long as we are below 850 here, or let's call it 840 actually, that high, as long as we are below that level, there's a reasonable chance to come down in the C wave and then have another chance to find support a little lower in this area. Yeah, normally when you have these ABC corrections, in most cases the C wave will find support below the A wave low, and let's see if it does that. But for now it turned around quite impulsively, but Link is doing that all the time. Yeah, it's doing these rallies and then comes down quite a lot again. So just be ready for that. Be aware of the headwinds. But yeah, it could absolutely be that this was the wave 1 already. We came down, hit support for the A wave of the wave 2, are now rallying in the B wave and come down in C. On the micro level, this would be my preferred option at the moment. But I of course cannot rule out that the wave 2 already finished because we hit the support area. But I have to tell you as well that it is not a clear 3-wave structure to the downside I've got here. I would like to see a clearer 3-wave move here, A, B, C. Yeah? And if it then comes into this area again, there might be another chance for a turnaround and then to rally in a 3rd wave. And a rough target for the 3rd wave there in circle yellow, based on the latest low, would be actually 1046. So it should actually reach 1046, but only if this was the low. Yeah, if it comes down a bit lower, I will have to reduce the target down a bit. But for now, it worked out nicely. That would of course push up the target for the orange wave 3 as well, because the 3rd wave here in yellow would be the 3rd wave of the 3rd. Normally should be quite strong and quite a bit of an extended move. Now, the uncertainty that remains here is was this the A wave low or was it the low of the wave 2? We don't know, but therefore we've got these pullback turning points, and anybody who entered here can now just sit back and relax. Entering now obviously bears the risk of the pullback in the C wave. That's why I don't like breakout trading. But then on the other hand, if you break above 840, this would be a breakout signal and would reduce the likelihood that this is still a B wave. Yeah, you know, from what seems reasonable to expect, I mean, this looks quite impulsive, the move down, yeah. So the B wave should actually not go much higher than it is now. I don't think we get an overshooting B wave here because the move down was quite impulsive. So then you normally don't get an overshooting B wave. And the B wave has basically done what it needs to do now. It reached basically a 78.6 retracement, and it should normally not go above that. Okay. Yeah, then we could be ready for a C wave down. Let's see if it does that. And again, the support area is between 742 and 688, and the C wave would most likely break below the A wave low, which was at 730. Okay, that's my update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.